Hello, my name is Dana Ford, and Mr. Eaton and I will be your professors for Math 1314 this semester. Now, as you're in Canvas, if you notice this right here, classes are virtual the first week. So the 11th through the 15th, classes are virtual. Our class meets on Tuesday, Thursday. You will notice that you have two separate math classes, Math 0240 and Math 1314. Math 0240 meets at 8 o'clock from 8 to 8:50 on Tuesday, Thursdays. Math 1314 meets from 9 o'clock in the mornings until 10:50 on Tuesday, Thursdays. Now, you will not use this Canvas shell. All of your material for both classes will be inside the College Algebra, the Math 1314 Canvas shell. So let's go ahead and jump into the Math 1314 Canvas shell, which I know many of you have already done. And I'm going to walk through a couple of things so that we can get a few things straightened out. Where if I click on Modules, which I know many of you have, and you've gone through several of these pages, many of you have clicked on the ALEKS registration guide, and it tells you how to register for ALEKS. Do not register for ALEKS. Do not try to go to register for ALEKS until tomorrow's class. I've actually hidden the link because I want us all to go in together and go through the first day's work together. You're not going to be able to register for ALEKS today. You will not be able to register until tomorrow. Now, you must have an access code for ALEKS. Unfortunately, the bookstore does not have the access codes right now. So you can purchase the access code online through the ALEKS website. If you need to go through the bookstore for financial aid reasons or something, please let me know. We'll work something out. But until then, there is a financial aid or a temporary access code here. But I don't want anybody trying to register for ALEKS today. Again, we will walk through that on Tuesday morning at 8 o'clock. Okay? Mr. Eaton and I will both be on the conference at 8 o'clock Tuesday morning. Now that brings me to another point of how to get into class Tuesday morning or this week. When you're in the Math 1314 Canvas shell, you're going to go over to conferences. Right now you will not see a conference in the conference shell. As soon as one is made, you will see them. If I click on conferences, currently this particular student has one because I made an example conference, and it says in progress. Now, if you don't see this in progress, it means that Mr. Eaton or I have not opened it up yet. And you'll just have to be patient until we open it up. Once you see this in progress, you'll see this join button, and you will join the conference. If you have a microphone, webcam, it would be great if you could join using your microphone or webcam. Now, at times we may ask you to mute, but that way you can actually speak to us. And that way you can actually talk to us instead of having to listen or anything like that. Now, notice it only let me go in using my audio. So sometimes I may have to log out or something like that. Sometimes I leave audio, and sometimes I join audio, things of that nature. Here you will see a list of who's in the conference. You can do public chat. In other words, at the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to move my dial up, you can type in comments to Mr. Eaton or myself. You can share your webcam here so that we can see your faces. Things like that, okay? So when you are in, again, for virtual conferences, you will come over to the conferences page in your 1314 Canvas shell. And this is how you will join the conferences. Again, you will not see a conference yet. Now, if you miss class, you will come to the conferences page, and there will be a concluded conference once the recording has processed, and you can watch class. We will record classes for those that have to miss. We do not want you to miss class, if at all possible. Okay? Now, if I go back to modules, again, we look through some of these things, syllabus, Course Connect, things of that nature. There will tomorrow morning show up an ALEX login right here. It is not showing up today because I do not want you trying to log into ALEX or the McGraw-Hill website today. I want to wait until all of us are able to log in together. So please hold off. But if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to Mr. Eaton or myself. The best way to reach out to either of us is through this inbox. And you can go to the inbox and then click Compose. And you can select either course. We're in both courses. So if you select here and click, wherever you click on teachers, we're both here. It might be good to include both of us on the email so that we can both try to help you out. Either way, okay? So again, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to either one of us. And I look forward to meeting each of you tomorrow morning. Have a good day.